Ah, welcome. Man, you dirty. Try that again. Alright, well, I don't know how far y'all got. And I started spraying out the inside. I blew out the leaves in here. I don't know if you got that. The damn phone shut off on me. But I'm going to set you up over here. I don't like this tripod thing. This thing's, I don't know what that thing is on the side. It seems to be a piece of crap. But hey, works for the moment. Look, the water running out. Well, we got you out. I guess I can check underneath here. See what we look like. See if we got any problems. What we look like down there. Tell me. Do we look like we got any problems? Any rivets dripping? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I see maybe. I do see a maybe. All right. Let's go over here. Check this out. Maybe not. Maybe it's just false alarm. I don't see nothing over here. What? Oh yeah. Right there. Yeah, well, there's a patch there anyhow. We see a leak now. All along that some bit. Oh, that sucks. Alright, well, we know where that one is. I mean, we ain't testing for it and it's leaking already, so, you know. I mean, see what I'm talking about? Right here, this whole seam. See that hole right back there? I was told, oh, it ain't gonna matter. You know, obviously, it matters. Well, that's alright. Life goes on for a little bitty while. At least we found another one. I'm gonna set you up over here. Over on this side. Get you up a little higher. Well, I guess you do pivot. Getting inside that boat. Come on, camera. You're trying to do it now. Alright, I'm going to bring the hose over here. Spray it out over there. Yeah, we got knot in that there rope. Spray up in here. Take that. See what we're doing right here. Wait for it to drain. I'm waiting for it to drain. As you see, I cleaned it all out. It's cleaner. It ain't power washed. It ain't pressure tested yet, but we did find some leaks. Right here. One here. Was leaking up. It's all here. It's over here. Leaking over there. Leaking over there. Leaking here. Drip back here too. That corner leaking. Corner right here. Leaking. Getting it over here. Mark today, I gotta throw that in the trap. I think I'll go over that way. See all this stuff here. Years and years of crap. Yeah, I have a feeling transom might be shot. Well, might not be shot all the way. Ah, shit on it there, ain't there? Oh yeah. Yeah, transom. That was when you let that sit. The boats are like campers, man. They always need a lot of work. It don't matter how big they are. Can't find the boat plug so I can fill it up with water. That'd be a sensible spot to put it. so you know I didn't put it there. Take that all off again. That's a lot of work to take that shit off. Alright, well, you see what's going on. We're probably got to replace this transom on top of it, and in that case I think I'm going to take them boxes out. That'll give me more room to the back. Not that I need it, but because they're really nothing to them. I mean, they're just hollow. I think if I make a bench go in there, pretty much I think we're going to start with a blank canvas. I mean a hall. Probably keep the front the way I got it. We're going to change the carpet, of course. And I'm going to add a couple more ribs in here. Probably screw something from each of those two. Put something in there. Same thing down there. Finish it off up there. So I can get the plywood in there. Build a mounting tank, maybe a custom fill, you know, underneath the lid, have a custom fill going to it. I don't know, let me know in the description. I think I'm going to use this type of camera for now on, because I'm doing too much to show you me. I mean, I'll put a tripod up, but it'll be taking videos of me doing the work, which, you know, I'll throw it in the videos. But we're gonna try and do this on a low budget and no income. I mean, I know I already got an income. I already got to spend some money on the damn decking. I'm getting tired of doing the decking. I mean, I think I didn't even go out once when I had the decking on, or I might have went out one. No, I didn't even go out once. So, y'all know a type of decking I can use in here, I'd appreciate it. You know, I want to look up in here. I really don't. Ran wires after the fact I had shit built. So this time I'm gonna build from here back, but this has all got to be weight. I mean, now the boat's looking longer, but Yeah, 'cause there's not them boxes. It's a pain in the ass to put the transom back on in. And if it's not rotted all the way, I'm going to cut it off to where it's good. Let's hope it's not rotted all the way, because if it's not, well, that's a plus in the right direction. Alright, I wanted to look up in here. See what this looks like. What that look like up in there? Alright. Peace out. Tomorrow, me and Pagan are going on a bike ride. Not sure exactly where, so we'll come back and do some work on here. And then, you know, probably put a video out of us going for a bike ride tomorrow. Alright.